My son Tim was a boatswain's mate. He could bloody whistle, but he never ran a race. When the thoughts of his mother came into his head, you couldn't understand a single word he said. Which are two, right, yeah. Fall the da, whack, fall the diddle, fall the die-dum. Well, up stepped Tim without any legs, in their place were two wooden pegs. Well, was it walking across the sea? Were you two fine legs from the knees away? Which are two, right, yeah. Fall the da, whack, fall the diddle, fall the die-dum. Oh, were you drunk or were you blind when you left your two fine legs behind? How come, Mahone, that you were a silly youth, not to run away from the Frenchman's shoot? Which are two, right, yeah. Fall the da, whack, fall the diddle, fall the die-dum. I was neither drunk nor neither blind when I left my two fine legs behind. When up came a bloody great cannonball, took away me furs, oil skins and all. Which are two, right, yeah. Fall the da, whack, fall the diddle, fall the die-dum. Oh, Timmy boy, oh, Timmy boy, oh, Timmy boy, his mother cried. Them two fine legs were your mammy's pride. Them stumps of a tree wouldn't do at all. Get a right run away from the big cannonball. Which are two, right, yeah. Fall the da, whack, fall the diddle, fall the die-dum. And now I cross the raging main to Napoleon Bonaparte and the Queen of Spain. And I will make them rude a time. They took away the legs of a child of mine. I will make them rude a time. They took away the legs of a child of mine. Which are two, right, yeah. Fall the da, whack, fall the diddle, fall the die-dum. Which are two, right, yeah.